GEM7750 Auto 4-needle positioning M&E high-speed overlock sewing machine not only adapts the intensive integration capacity, electrical motor and servo system, it also adapts the new design combined machine, or closed needle bar, which can effectively prevent dust and crumb cloth, improve its abrasive resistance, extend the machine's service life, avoid material contamination from oil leak of the needle bar. This machine has a wide range of usage. It can be applied to overlock all kinds of light and medium heavyweight materials. This machine has been made research and a big improvement mainly on integrity innovation and defect optimization. About the components, this machine adapts the current most commonly used general component in the market. The overall machine's generality reaches to more than 90%, and the easy damage component generality reaches to 100%. It changed the combinations of the cabinet, made the base, head and head cover as a body. It is different from the past overlock sewing machine cabinet combination that can be only drawn up and down or left and right. The improved one is the left, right, up and down parts conjoined. No need to join together again. Fundamentally solve the oil leakage problem in the face and connection part, and improve the machining accuracy greatly at the same time. Force return oil structure optimizes seal of the needle bar and the upper looper. The needle bar, curved slider bar parts at force back needle oil part, which effectively prevent the oil leakage. Further improve the quality of sewing machine. Let the customer leave out worries about the troubles that the sewing material contaminated by oil. The needle bar cavity adapts totally closed design, which can effectively prevent dust into the needle bar cavity, the needle bar wear down and the oil leakage, so that extend the machine's service life. In order to provide the operator a bright and comfortable working environment and improve the work efficiency, one wet energy-saving lighting device is set above on the needle bar. With the new design intuitive oil observation mirror, it can overcome the defects about the blockout and unstable of the buoy, specially adopting organic glass straightly insert into oil, so we can see the volume of the oil from the oil pan intuitively, using movable armor to protect the needle when needed, which can eliminate the wire jump of the machine when running at a high speed, adjusting the needle, reducing wear, ensure the ideal stitch marks. The usage of HR cooling device and HR silicone oil device can make poor heat resistance synthetic fiber suture apply on the high-speed sewing. It can lower the temperature of the needle, prevent line break and melting of cloth due to high temperature to make the stitch mark stable. GEM's independent design insides knife seats through the side of undercut carrier and cabinet of the overlock sewing machine. Can realize the vertical adjustment of the undercut carrier, enhance the reliability of the cloth cut. At the same time, the installation precision of the undercut carrier and cabinet is improved, and it helps improve the processing precision of the cabinet and undercut carrier. When the undercut is damaged, it can be changed and extend the service life of the machine. Using highly integrated capacitive motor and servo system, a full-style installation let users more convenient and free from worry when using it. It can be operated as long as the machine is put on the counter and plugged in. It is very easy and convenient. By adopting the absolute encoder, it realizes that the automatic needle position can be calibrated arbitrarily according to the sewing needs of the sewing process, and the precision error will not exceed 1 degree after calibrating, which improves the sewing suitability of the sewing machine. By adopting the powerful inner convulsion cooling system, it can effectively solve electrical machines' heat dissipation difficulty and extend the service life of the machine. The machine is suitable for all kinds of fabric products border and overlock, such as cotton, wool, silk, hemp, chemical fiber and other special sewing such as air draft, heavyweight material sweater, tense legs. thrum, seam fold, and etc. Usage and maintenance. The new machines should be replaced oil after using for a month. The new or unused sewing machine should be wiped off the dirt before using, and then add 2.3 drops of oil on the operating parts. After idling for a few minutes, it can start the sewing work. If the sewing parts are used for a long period, we should remove the faceplate, add oil in the lower end of the surge, the core hole of the pressure regulation, and up and down of the needle bar, the above flopper slider, and the slide bar. It should use special sewing machine oil. Never use vegetable oil or inferior oil. It is better to add oil when sewing is completed to avoid the oil contaminating the cloth. After adding the oil, we should step on the machine and let the oil seep into every part of the machine. Correct usage. Full speed should be moderate. Cannot be too fast or it will damage the machine parts. We should always make simple maintenance after using. For instance, use slug brush or cotton yarn to remove the dust in the nosing and the feed dog. Wipe all the line hooks and the upper looper slider parts. When the machine is not in use, we should lift the pressure baseboard. Discharge the belt. Hold cloth on the machine to prevent the dust influence the machine. We should not put overheating or overweight things, such as hot water glass on the machine, whether it is in use or not. It also should not touch the alcohol, bare nut oil, and other chemicals.